In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to Coinbase so you can place trades directly from your chart. It's a super convenient way to streamline your trading setup without switching platforms. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account. Signing in ensures that all your settings, charts, and broker connections are saved to your personal dashboard. Next, head to the top navigation bar and click on Products. This will expand a menu that gives you access to all the tools and features TradingView offers. Then, select Supercharts from the drop-down. This launches a full-featured charting interface where you can track market data, add indicators, and manage trades. Now, at the bottom of your chart, click on the Trading Panel tab. Once it opens, click on All Brokers to see a complete list of trading platforms you can connect with TradingView. From the list, scroll down or search until you find Coinbase. Click on it to begin the connection process. Now click Connect, and a prompt will pop up asking you to log in to your Coinbase account. Enter your credentials and follow the instructions to authorize TradingView to access your account securely. And that's how you connect TradingView to Coinbase. This setup gives you the flexibility to analyze and trade all in one place. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more tutorials made simple. See you next time!